mocha with 3 pumps of vanilla and venti.
You want Starbucks?
No,
I'll get you Starbucks.
I want your box. I mean the little box, the will you marry
get
me
there.
box. Yeah, that's the proposal box. That's what I want.
Yeah, we'll get there. But I want to get to know you first.
Okay.
Tell me what you like.
Aside from you, I like ano ba? I like champorado when I was a kid. You know that?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I like it too. I like champorado.
Oh, you like champorado?
Yeah, because like I have Spanish friends here in Germany. They also have champorado.
Oh, you have champorado there in
Yeah.
Germany?
Yeah,
What do you call it there? It's
it's the same. It's champorado.
champoradre
Yeah,
or
but they don't put milk on it. It's just chocolate.
champora or cocoa tea. What do you call champorado there?
I think it's similar, but it's more like chocolate. It's chocolate.
So like champorado is a term, is a word.
I think so. Yeah.
So if I go there in Germany, what 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 will you recommend me? Like what food do you think I like? I like.
I think you like. I mean, one of the most popular food here is German sausage. So if you like German sausage, yeah, it's called Wurst.
It depends. I mean, hot dogs are. I only eat hot dogs when in morning and in nighttime. But what about the lunch? What about the
Lunch. We can eat what we call as Spätzle. It's like a pasta.
what?
Spätzle. It's called Spätzle.
Pets? Is that a food for pet? Do you think I'm a pet?
No. It's a food for beautiful people. It's a pasta. It's called Spätzle.
Okay.
You don't like pasta?
I like pasta in the teeth. It makes your teeth nice if you have pasta.
So you told me you just had a breakup. Can you? Was it Sean? Can you describe to me your breakup with Sean? Why didn't it work?
Yeah, with Sean. And let's not talk about to all the boys I loved before.
Yeah, I just wanted to make sure that I don't hurt you the same.
You shut up. Di ba pure Pinoy? Are you like pure Filipino?
Yes.
Yeah, and I don't care. As long as he has the German citizenship.
I'll bring you here. We'll be German citizens together.
No worries, no need. I am a German Shepherd myself.
No, you're too pretty to be a German Shepherd.
Para kang sira! Yeah, right.
What do you do when it's your free time? Do you have hobbies? Do you have hobbies?
You're my future hobby. Ha!
Aside from me.
Oh, my hobbies. I like reading books. I like reading books and I like baking. And also I like playing golf and I like also gardening. Yeah. Yeah.
I like all of those. Can you teach me golf?
Ba't di kayo naniniwala?
Can you teach me golf?
Oh, golf. Yeah. Let's just go to the 7-Eleven. You just upgrade if you want a big golf or a small golf. Yeah, and like
There's golf in 7-Eleven.
yeah. It depends on you if you will combine all the soft drinks, but it's recommendable.
You mean gulp?
I golf. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right. I'm
How
so
about baking?
running as fast as I can. What?
How about baking?
Oh
Do you
yeah,
bake? Do you
I do
bake
bake.
cakes?
That's my escape. No,
I
no
like
lying, no lying.
cupcakes.
I swear I am. Wait, let me show you. Let me show you, okay? Baka sobrang ma-turn on ka na sa akin pag mo nagbe-bake ako, di ba? But like, you just stay there, okay? And don't let me go.
I'm not going anywhere.
Okay. It's your choice, your music. Oh wait. It was an era last February. Yeah. I like to like bake. See that? I baked it. I baked that one.
That looks so pretty. What is it called?
Lalo na pag milk mo yung andito. I mean, milk from Germany. Yeah,
Yeah.
imported milk. Yeah, they said that milk there is, yummy.
Really good. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What is it called?
It's perfect inside or what? And after
There's
that,
milk inside.
I also like that one. Just don't mind the caption. But wait, yeah, that. Ay! Basta yan na yan. Yama cake. Yeah.
I don't know what yama cake is, but it looks very delicious.
Me? Thank you.
Yeah. I mean the cake and you.
It's a cake made of caramelized condensed milk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What else?
You don't know what's yema? You're a Pinoy. You don't know what's yema?
I know yama.
Oh, so you know.
Yeah.
Also, I I baked some like this one. See? Pwede na daw
Wait. Can I see it again?
Becky Ree, sabi nila.
Can I see it again?
Yeah, like that one.
Who is that? Who is that pretty girl holding the
Shut
tray?
up. Shut up. And, sobrang dami pa. Baka, ayoko na mapakita sa'yo kasi baka ma-in-love ka na sa akin, di ba? Hirap pa naman panindigan yung mga yan. Yung LDR, sobrang hirap pa naman panindigan.
We can make it work.
Okay, I guess so. Yeah, how about you? What's your hobby?
I go to the gym. I sew also. Do you know
You go to the
sewing?
gym?
Yeah.
Can you send me a proof then?
Wait. Later I will send you.
No, now.
No. I'm shy.
No, I said send, not show.
Yeah, I will send it.
Good. No, just for me to like you to validate it, right? Because yeah, I'm
You
like
don't
an
trust me?
immigrant here. I'm an immigrant officer. I will, I will ask questions.
So you don't trust me?
I do, but I just need a little shaping. To the salon. I just need,
I
a
also
little.
I
Yeah,
sew. Do you know sewing?
Hmm?
Sewing?
Ramirez,
Making a dress,
yes. She's a
dressmaking.
good actress.
I can like
Do you-
make dresses.
What?
I can make dresses. I'll show you. Hang on.
Oh, you sue. Suing ka na. Oh, wow. Can you make me a vest?
I want to make you a wedding dress.
No, make
good
me
wedding
a
dress.
sweater. Make me a sweater and then give it to me when I go there.
Yeah, sure.
This
I'll
December,
try.
okay?
Yeah.
You have how many months pa? Oh? August, September, October, November. 4 months. You have 4 months pa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, they're saying
make
my
sure
volume is
it's-
low.
And make sure it's winter proof.
That's hard.
What's hard?
I will do everything.
Oh
The
yeah.
dress.
Not the dress. I mean, a sweater.
Wait. My volume is kind of low, they say. Is it? Is it? Can you hear me?
Yeah. Can you hear my heart beating for you?
Yeah, I've heard it since.
Aray! 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 Aray, nahulog ako. Sino ba nag-karma sa akin? Nakakainis. Aray, ang sakit. I'm injured. Kiss me.
I wish I was there.
I literally fell. Na-fall ako sa'yo. Wait, sobrang sakit. Gago, sakit. Ay, ang sakit.
Hi, Ernalyn.
It's like my legs, they call that, my legs bump in the legs of the vanity mirror. My toes, my legs, my shoulder, my head. Kakainis.
A friend of mine is here.
Oh,
Her name's Ernalyn.
yeah, say hi.
Say hi.
Hi, Erna. Nakakainis. Sobrang sakit. Sobrang sakit ng ginawa niya.
Do you want me to massage it?
Yes, please. Massage it
Put your leg up.
here, Here, harder. Yeah. Yes, thank you. Thank you. I'm all goods na. Oh, QD! QD's here!
Really?
Yeah, QD's here.
Hi, QD.
Oh,
I miss
QD's
you.
here. So,
QD is a friend.
ano yung feeling na inagaw mo sa akin yung lalaki ko, QD?
What? I don't understand anything.
Jack,
Okay,
hold
okay.
for a minute. I need to talk. And I need to confront this to her.
Okay, okay.
Hindi mo ako madadala sa mga ganyan-ganyan. Kasi kahit nanonood ako ng movie kanina, alam na alam ko yung mga pinaggagawa niyo sa live. You know, I really thought you're my friend. But everything changed when you show your Kim Pamparahas to him.
No, I never saw anything. I promise.
Jack, if you jump, I jump later. Harapin mo ako, QD. Kausapin mo ako. Kasi alam natin kung sino yung totoong asawa dito. Ang galing, nanonood lang ako ng movie tapos pinapakitaan mo siya ng mga bagay na hindi ko napapakita sa kanya. May araw ka rin. Right, Jack?
Yeah, it's fine. Nobody's ever gonna replace you. You're the only near.
Ano, QD? Sumagot ka! Akin lang ang asawa ko! Go! Subukan niyo. Subukan niyo. Di naman ako nasasaktan eh. I mean, okay lang naman sa akin na. Ano, naiiyak ako. I mean, I'm not affected at all. I mean, it's just that, you know, I mean, I'm not betrayed naman the way I felt earlier for him. We're just friends. I mean, you were once my best friend, Queen. Pero di ang mahal. Yes, malaman ko lang na saan na kulang. Nasa half pa ako ng movie. Parang sabi ko, umuulan ba? Ay, luha ko lang pala. At plema.
Okay, so,
Pati ko nakita na ayaw mo na. Alam mo yun, yung I just checked my phone tapos ang dami na nagtatag sa akin SD, may naka-live si Sean na iba. I mean, okay lang naman sa akin, pero parang alam mo yun, parang walang girl code. Hindi ko na pipilit pa. Alam mo yung pinigay ko naman lahat Tapos mas nakita ko yung totoong ngiti niya nung pinakita mo yung kifi mo. Yun yung mga mata hindi nagsisinungaling. Yun yung pinakaunang nakita ko sa kanya nung sinagot ko siya. Pero akala mo mapapatalo ako sa'yo? Akala mo yun yung sasabihin ko sa'yo? Harapin mo ako! Jack? Saan na nga tayo, Jack?
it's fine. I mean, I'm gonna fix you.
I'm
I'm
sorry.
here.
I'm sorry. I just where are we again? I'm sorry. I'm not the type of person talaga na nagpapa-shut off sa'yo, but I mean, I just had to let it all out.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. You have to let out your feelings so you can move on
Yeah.
and let others in. Open it.
Naka-live daw si QD. You want me to invite her?
Do you want to?
But can you be at my side?
Yes, I will. We're together. Remember, we're one.
I guess so. I can't invite her. She's not live. Kayo talaga, mga ano talaga kayo? Where are we again? Yeah. I just want you to know, the first time I met you, it was like, my heart can't stop beating.
Why?
Because I don't know, there's something in me that, whispered into my ear saying you're the one.
You're my one and only.
I really don't know. The moment I saw you, I keep on stalking you. That's why I'm Jack and the Beanstalk.
You don't have to worry. You don't have to stalk me. We can call every day.
Yeah.
You can see me every day. You can talk to me.
I can see you every day. What do you think of me? I have that lot of money to go to Germany. Why don't you
I'll pay
go
for it.
here?
I'll come to you. Do you want me to come to you?
Yes, I want you to come to me.
But it says here you're married.
What?
It says here you're married. Somebody told me you're married.
It says here, Shandura. I think I want to just clarify things lang. Guys, wag niyo nang ano ba ito sabihin? sa mga naglo-look forward po sa love team namin, I think this is the end of the Precious and Sean thing. I mean, it's not the end because we never had the thing. I mean, Shandura, I think will, dominate in the future, and why are you laughing, Jack?
Nothing. I'm just happy that nobody's gonna be able to take you from me.
Why are you happy? So you're happy because I'm broken?
No, that your ex-boyfriend has a new one,
Why?
so that nobody's,
What do you mean?
nobody takes you from.
From?
I don't know, from me.
Shut up. Where are you? Like, I am checking right now flights to Germany, and I mean, like, carry naman siya.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just come to it.
yeah, I will go there in the juicy log.
I'll give you all the juicy logs you want.
What is the name of that? Dusseldorf?
Yeah.
I mean,
Dusseldorf.
I'm right?
Yeah, Dusseldorf.
Dusseldorf.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dusseldorf. Okay, copy that. Let me just check flights right now to Dusseldorf. Oh, I don't know the spelling. I just know that the letter U is with the double dot.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. That's my name before. Esnir lang malakas, and the letter A is the two dot. Yeah, and the
You have
letter S
German
is the
blood.
dollar sign. Yeah.
Do you have German blood? Are you half German?
No, I'm half Jeje. That's why that's my name in the Facebook. Oh, so to get there, I need 44,000 pesos. I think
I'll pay for it.
it's so hard to fight for this relationship. I mean, what if one day I fell for you, and I don't have the enough budget to go there, because so it's hard. It's kind of expensive. It's expensive. What are you gonna do about it?
Understand. But I can pay for you.
What?
You don't have to worry about that. You don't have to worry about that. I'll pay for you.
Okay.
You can ride with a plane, or you can ride me.
You'll pay for me. Okay. I need a business class. Is it okay?
I'll fly you in a private jet, so we
Yeah.
have all the privacy. We can do whatever we want in the plane, up in the sky. You and me.
Go. Alam mo, you're lying. You just, you're just speaking. You're just speaking hyperbole.
What's a hyperbole?
Oh, it's an exaggerated term. Am I right? Wait, let me just search it. Sorry, I'm not in. Yeah, it is an exaggerated statement or claims meant to be, not meant to be taken literally. So like,
Are you a lawyer?
exaggerating. You're lying.
Are you a lawyer? I like lawyers.
I'm not a lawyer.
You
But
sound like one.
but I have rules if you are my boyfriend. Rule number
What are
one:
they?
don't wear sando and when we're outside. Rule
I won't.
number 2, don't talk to any girls, even though that's your workmate. I don't care. Just don't talk.
You're the only girl I talk to. Next.
Yeah. Rule number 3, don't like any post in Facebook or in IG or in Twitter. No. Even if
I
your
only like your
mother,
posts.
no. No, don't like any post. Even if your mother you share posts or your family, no.
Don't worry, my mother won't take me from you.
Why do I need to worry? That's just the bare minimum.
Yeah, I know. You don't have to ask for it.
Okay. Rule number 4. Mm, you pay for everything.
No problem.
Rule number 5. You need to gift me any. Even if it's not our anniversary, you will send me gifts every Saturday.
I'll send you a lot of gifts. Cucumber, flowers, chocolates,
Yeah.
banana.
Rule number 8. I'll be
Okay.
sleeping at the left side of the bed.
You can sleep anywhere you want. You can sleep in the bed, on me, anywhere. The couch.
Yes. Don't need a dirty mind. Just be a classy guy, okay?
Yeah.
Rule number 9, sing along with me.
Okay.
Rule number 10, you gotta know how to treat me like a lady, even when I'm acting crazy. You know,
Why
you should tell
lady?
me everything's alright.
Yeah, everything's alright. You're pretty. You're smart. You're everything.
I'm very demure, very mindful, very cutesy, very, very ginger.
Why ginger?
I'm a ginger right now. I'm half Luya. No, I mean,
Is it also red down there?
you wanna see?
Is that a question? I think you know the answer to that.
It's red down there. See? See, it's red.
It says you're turmeric. You're not a ginger. You're turmeric. You know turmeric?
Turmeric. Bakla, turmeric lang sa amin yan eh.
Okay.
Turmeric. Yeah, you turmeric? Yeah, I want that. I want that in school, turmeric. I want turmeric. Because, turmeric lang sa amin yan, talaga. Turmeric
okay?
and moringa. You know what's that?
What? What's
Moringa.
manga?
Moringa.
What is it? What's minga?
Mungay. Mungay.
What's minga?
Mungay. You know, mungay.
Oh, what's? No, I don't know that.
It's malunggay. It's moringa.
What is?
It's the
What is
leaf when you used to like separate it.
What's the English for it?
Moringa.
What?
Moringa.
I've never heard of minga.
Yeah, moringa leaves.
Minga leaves.
Yeah. Alam ba niya
correct.
nagtatagalog siya? Alam ko te, nagchat-chat nga kami. Joking. Alam ko, para naman kayo mga sira eh. Moringa.
It's moringa.
Yeah.
Never had that.
What's your hobby there? Like what's your job? They said you're a software engineer, huh? Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're a software engineer. I can make it hardware. I'm also can you also hardware engineer?
Yeah. I can make you hardware. I can make you a hardware.
Yeah. So what do you do? So you know how to hack?
No, I just make software.
Oh, that's your monthly gift to me. Make me a software.
Yeah, I will make the software. Runs on your phone and it sends me all your photos.
Yeah,
Yeah, I want to see you every day.
me too.
Change your
I'm making
camera
a
on everywhere.
software that it automatically sends all your gym photos to me.
You don't have to make that software. I can send you.
Okay. Mismo mukha mo, sino? Kakainis yan. Right?
What?
Pag-Bisaya mo, please. Oh, you guys want Bisaya.
Do you want me to start?
Go.
Gigugmati ka.
Paghilom.
What?
Paghilom!
Hindi ka pa to?
Dili.
Nga naman.
Maragtala. Maragtala! Ayun na si
Medyo.
ayun na ko uto
Di mo magtigo to. Tinood ka na.
Dili man na tinuod. Kabalo ka si tinuod. Pareho ra mo tanan.
Di mo may pareho palahi ako. Kita ka.
Kita ka?
I'm different.
Kita ka? Yeah, kakit ni mo magbisaya, oy. Murakag, akong, what's the Bisaya of asawa? Murakag akong bana. Ha! Wala akong maintindihan. Go. Kayo na bahala mag-download ng subtitle. Kami mag-a-adjust sa inyo?
Nakaiba na.
Hmm?
Diba? Nadi kay Bana.
Asa na ganita?
Ako ba ni mong Bana?
Ano yung may mga nakakakilig na kanta sa sa Bisaya. Ay, yung LDR. Ito. Aduwala. Kiss. Diba? Bisaya to, diba? Aduwala. Love is coming.
Bisaya din na.
Aduwala. Ano, gusto ko yung mga Bisaya? Yeah,
Wala ako
yeah.
dere. Wala na ako dere.
Asan dire?
Dili sa live with you.
Hindi siya nakakakilig. Wait, Bisaya kilig song. Baby paminawa, kining akong kanta. Alam mo yun?
No.
You don't know that?
No?
Wait. Yung ang higugma ko kanimo. Ang higugma ko kanimo. Ang gugmang gaso. Yes, this one. Say what? Wow. Wow. Jack, this is for you. Baby, paminawa, kining akong kanta para judni sa imuha. Sultian kita sa akong pagbati. Gikan judni sa akong kasing-kasing. Baby, love, love kita. Baby, love, love kita. Baby, love, love kita. Ikaw ra jud og wala naglain pa. Ang higugma ko kanimo. Kay murag tambutsong gaaso-aso. You don't appreciate it.
I don't know the song.
Ito na lang. Philly, gusto ko ito yung love song natin. Jack!
Don't know the song.
Jack, this is my song for you, okay? Kanta na ako ni Semuha. Anhi ako diri sa balay.
I think I know that song.
Kay gimingaw na nimo gamay. Ayaw na pagdugay-dugay, pagdali nag-anhikay. Ganahan ko kita duha, di magpahuway. Nagsakit ang akong dughan. Dapat ikaw to. Duet to eh.
I don't know the song. I know it a bit.
What the? You don't know?
Do you have any other songs? I know some songs. Do you know
What?
Duyog? Duyog.
What?
Duyog.
What's that?
Duyog.
Do you. That?
How about Hasula? Hasula.
Yeah. Kadita uyap wala.
But it's too sad. It's not. It doesn't fit us.
Yeah,
We're
it
happy.
doesn't fit us.
We're a happy couple.
So, this one. This is for you. Yo. Wait. You know this. I know you know this.
I know that.
Say what? Ikaw ra Jack, ikaw ra gyud ang igugmaot ko. Ikaw ra, wala na'y lain pa. I love you so much. Ikaw ra Jack, ikaw ra gyud ang igugmaot ko. Ikaw ra, wala na'y lain pa. Memorize ko to. Way pagluban ng panghigugma ko kanimo. Bisan maglinog pa mano, magbanso. Baby, you know na bisan asa ko mo adto. Ikaw ra may nasa huna-huna ko. Ang imong tinud makawala og hilantad. Kalamisa akong gibati, di na yun mapugnan. Di na ako kaya na mawala ka. Kay ikaw lang yun ang ako ang prinsesa. Pag mata ko sa sayo sa kabuntagon, ikaw dayon ang akong paminaw. Imong gipukaw ang akong kasing-kasing. Oh, you don't know this? You know this?
I know the chorus.
Tama na. Wala na lang. Wala na akong kanta sa'yo.
I know the song, pero yung chorus. Only the chorus.
Palangga daw, sabi nila. Nakakakilig! Hala! Ito na yung song natin. Diba langga?
No lang ba?
Walang sira naman to! Okay, that's our call sign na ha.
Langga.
Langga, nikaw na ka?
Ikaw na. Ikaw ba langga?
Wala pa langga.
Na ako'y line food. Saan mo kanon?
Ang sama na lang.
Cucumber. Healthy siya.
Nakakakilig yung kanta ha. Yes. Sorry. You know this?
But it's good. It's the perfect
Baliti
wedding
ako
song.
kamot.
Sa akong mata ay suskagwapa. Pagay mo lang ka.
Parang sila. Murag tala! Ay, di ko ni mo man dala-dala
Balik
sa
mo na
mga
kamot.
ana. Ha?
Balik sa kapat.
Pari-pariho ra mo tanang laki.
Ibalik mo na kamot. please.
Wag. Again. Ay! Sorry.
Kung galan
Sorry. Sorry.
Ang dilipeke
Eto na yung kanta natin. Langga!
Oh, someone lang ga.
Sigurado na ako
Ikaw lang ang gusto makasama habang buhay. Huwag matakot, ito'y tunay. Sana'y maibigan mo itong kantang nasulat ko. Dala mong
Ang saya ay tunay.
Yes.
Salamat sa hatid mong kulay.
This is my song to you, ha?
I know.
Oh, mahal kita. Handa kong isigaw sa mundo na mahal kita, langga.
Oh, ikaw
Ay, ay,
talaga.
handang patunayan sa iyo na ikaw lang talaga.
Kaya huwag na magtaka. Nakita mo ba ang iyong ganda?
Is there?
Bakit?
Can you wink? Wink at
What?
me. Can you wink at me?
No.
Wink at me.
Pagpuyo.
Okay.
Pagpuyo. Diba?
Na-stop ang kanta.
Anyways, that's not Bisaya na kasi may mga, some people, they don't understand eh. Ako
You
din,
need to speak in English.
I don't
English
even
now.
understand what are we right now.
I thought you decide.
Ano ba tayo, Jack?
I thought you decide. Diba sabi ko sa'yo, ikaw lang hinihintay ko. What are we?
What are we willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. Pag Bisaya daw,
Bisaya mo ko.
like straight Bisaya.
Bisaya ba ito?
Ako like, it's like Davao Conyo. Like, alam mo, nagahulog na gud ang akong pawis sa floor. Yeah.
Mura lagi Tagalog ang Davao.
Hindi, parang mura mangod siya og Davao Conyo, meaning it's a mix of Bisaya, English, and Tagalog.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm Cebuano, so full Bisaya.
Mm-mm. So, imong face kay murag, hindi ko din alam eh, sorry.
Wala Bisaya nga word.
Guwapo!
Guwapo? Seryoso?
Itsuraan. Yeah, itsuraan.
Seryoso na? Gibola ra ko nimo. Gibola ra ko nimo.
Gibola?
Seryoso?
Gibola na ko ni Bola is not Bisaya. Make it Bisaya.
Giatik-atik ra ko nimo.
Wala
Seryoso
talaga.
ako.
Ako sad, seryoso.
Sige mo na akong pasakitan.
Basta gimora kung pakasakitan.
Anda ba ako nga, di ka pasakitan.
Ana ba ako
Pero
na...
ikaw,
Ano ba ako na allergic ko sa mga tisoy? Pero pag ikaw,
yung sound mo na, di mo ako tisoy.
edi... Tisoy kaya ka? Are you?
Matik na pula eh.
Huwag na, para mo akong parang kinakausap mo ako na para kitang tropa. Tropa lang ba ako?
Hindi, okay. Sige. Romantic. Cut. Balik.
No. Para mo akong kainuman. Say tanaw ni mo sa ako
Hindi ko romantic tayo.
Tanaw ni mo sa ako marag, ano
Romantic
lang? Kasabay lang sa ano?
Nawa ko kay gwapa, good kay ka. Pwede ka, slow lang. Hina lang.
Burak tala! Uyab-uyab naman. No, it's not. We're not. Like, it's...
18 naman, may pwede naman. Pwede naman, di ba? Okay rin mong mama na ako.
Depende.
Wala na siya ikuan.
Sumbong tama, oh. Ma.
Pagagod si tita. Pagagod si tita.
Ma! Si Jack,
Mga tanah
ma!
Mga tanah ko kung ready na ba siya ma-mother-in-law.
Dili pa siya ready. Ana siya sa ako, doon ako akong pag-skwela, Jack. So, ikaw, if kaya ko niyo
Support naman ako yung mga eskwela. Support na ako yung mga eskwela. Anything. Sunduan ti ka sa school.
Unsa niyo pagsundo na maka sa Germany? Ang
Magpadala ko kuan. Magpadala ko driver nimo. With flowers pa na.
bot. bot sa imong lubot. True. Uy, kablo ka, binuangan ra ko nimo so like, stop na.
Who's curse? Curse? Qersss. Friends with a sneer.
Who's curse?
Curse. Friends kayo eh. Nagpapaano? Na magjo-join.
Who's curse?
Your friend. Friends kayo.
Hindi ah. Hindi.
Okay, then never mind. Sige. Sabi kasi friends with a sneer.
So, dili pa ko enough sa imo ha?
Dili, nawatan ako kay basic friends mo. Yeah. Ganahan ko makaila sa mga friends. Kung kinsa mong friends, ganahan ko makaila sa mga friends.
No, meaning gusto pa ka mangita og lain.
Babae dito yung mga friend. Wala may picture lagi. Ang ako alam, gusto kong makaila sa mga friends.
Ako alang, nganong kailangan pa na i-open up?
Ang unsa man yung mga friends?
Yeah. Nganong kailangan pa siya, nganong kailangan pa siya i-appeal diri, wala man na siya i-appeal. So gusto rin
Kung makaila ko sa
Dili.
Kung makaila ko sa mga friends.
Ako So like,
Kung makaila ko sa mga friends, kabalo ko kung
Paghilom.
saan pag-care sa imo ha. I-care man tika. So dapat mga ko advice kung saan tika pag-care. Kung saan tika pag-love. Kung sa imong love language, kung sa imong position, kung sa imong position sa work.
Lari position. PMM yung iba dyan na maiintindihan daw nila. Huy, hindi nyo naiintindihan kasi yung viewers bumababa pag sabi, eme kayo. Alam mo, pa-cool girl kayo pa-cool kid kayo dyan. Kunwari kayo alam nyo. Ate ko naiintindihan ko, sige ha. Magka-quiz kami ha. Kung naiintindihan nyo. What's the position F?
Wala mo na, mga tanong ko sa mga friends. Ano sa mga favorite position?
Ano sa akong friends man? Feeling mo nag-practice
Wala
mo sa
kasi.
akong friend?
Dili, basig ni chika kanila kung sa mo ang gibuhat sa una, sa mo preference. Pero pwede naman ikaw ra ko pangutanon. So, unsa man yung favorite position?
Ikaw, kung unsay mo ha. Ikaw, good bahala.
Gusto ko ka ng gusto ko na mission. Gusto ko na mission.
Pwede rasad. Ikaw. Samanta mo kaon, ikaw lagi bahala. Ikaw
Asa
lagi
man ganun
bahala.
Nalagi ko cucumber. Healthy living ba ako?
Masking asa ra gani. Okay lang sa ako ah.
Kaya Pipino.
Sige, masking asa ra. Okay lang, wala ko'y labot.
Ako may tigluto. Sa bed and breakfast.
Asa man ta mga on?
Sa bed. Naganti kang breakfast sa bed.
Wala ko'y oras
Ayun,
na ngayon na ni mo, Jack ha. Jack, gutom na ko, Jack.
Sige, never mind. Tagaan na lang tika og kuan. Og katong German hotdog og itlog.
Dili lagi ko gusto ko sa gawas mga on.
Sa gawas? Sige.
Oo.
Sa ba rin maganahan sa gawas? Kailan kang lechon
Unsa
manok?
gani, no?
Senyor Pedro. Senyor Pedro raman ako ma-afford.
Dili, masking unsa pa.
Kung sa pali ka nag-lechon manok?
Gini. Sige lang mataglitsyon man.
Tempura. Tempura.
Tempura. Unsa ko Japanese? Itadakimasu? Dili ko gusto. Masking unsa ra gani, no?
Nanghawa na sila kay sila sa Batog Bisaya.
Go. Hawa mo tanong
Kailangan.
basta ikaw ayaw ko biya.
Nara mo ko dire.
Ngiting nakakahimatay. Oh, handa kong ibigay
What? What
Nara ko dire.
Ano cucumber? Sige na lang ikaw cucumber. Sino asa cucumber?
Wa lang kay ganahan ko og saging og talong katong kang Sean ug kang bread. Dapat napod kay ako.
Okay, cucumber.
Ganahan mo kag healthy, di ba? Mo nang ganahan kag talong. So, cucumber mas healthy.
Dili ka cucumber. Alam mo, sa sayo, bisol.
What's bisol?
What's bisol? You don't know bisol? It's a mix to... That's my favorite gulay. Bisol.
Ganahan di ka palitan na nalangga.
Langga, favorite ni mo kong bisong. I mean bisol. Bisol! Bisol daw gabi. Gabi in Bisaya.
gabi.
Lalo na pag medyo soft yung bisol. Kasi medyo hairy siya outside eh. Pero ipipil mo yan siya. Tapos sobrang puti na siya inside. Tapos yun na yung masarap, yung inside. Pwede
din
siyang
ang bisol.
dirty outside. Pero hugasan man mo para syempre hindi ma-dirty. Pero minsan din medyo
Pwede rag di hugasan ng bisol ay diretso na.
Yuck! Yuck! No!
Nindot man na flavor.
Kaluod. Damak. Jack Damak. So damak. That's so damak of you.
No. I'm okay with anything. If it comes from you, I'm okay with it. Wait. Cutie is
Sorry,
here.
so cold.
Cutie is
Kapag
live.
naka-backless lang ako. Ay, di siya backless, but like more likely like that.
Do you want to meet the girl who stole your ex-boyfriend?
Yeah.
She's on. Did you invite her?
Oh, no. Hindi siya na-invite eh. Off yung invitation niya. Sa bagay, natatakot naman yun sa akin. I mean,
Pero okay na.
Bakit natatakot? Diba? Kung wala namang ginawa.
Ano bang ginawa niya? What did she do?
Basically like stole my man.
But I'm not stolen by anybody.
You're still not my man. You are upcoming. You're next in line.
I'll wait. I will be in front of the line.
Yeah. Langga, dala lang ka lang.
Sige lang ga. Water na ka.
Tulaton ko nimo. Stop!
Alangan.
Alam mo, maghilom na good be. Paghilom sa. Prepping pa si Madam. Sinong prepping? Si Queen D? Ang ganda pala ng book na to, no? Parang it's giving straight vibes. Yung parang pang conditioner.
You look so expensive. You look so expensive.
Yes, because I'm rich with love from you.
That's cute. You're cute.
Shut up. Shut up! You're love bombing me and I know that. I'm aware
I'm
of
not
it. I'm aware,
love-bombing.
like, you guys, you
I'm just being
guys-
myself.
No.
I'm just being myself.
This,
I never love bomb anybody. I'm just being myself. I'm just expressing how I
that's your
feel.
tactics, y'all. That's your technique. You wanna, you wanna play with my heart. Like, every guy I met online, you're playing with my heart.
I never play with people's hearts, especially yours. I want to take care of it.
Where's QD? I turned on my invitation.
invite QD. Invitation off.
Hello there, misteryoso. Hala, ang ganda ng buhok na to. Parang gusto ko magdagdag ng ganito. Is that brand? Oh, it's not. And so what if it's brand?
You have me.
Huh?
You have me. Is Brent your ex? Is Brent your ex?
No comment about that.
It says here, her boyfriend is Brent.
Ah, papunta sila Davao? Pupunta ba sila Queen D sa Davao?
Yeah.
Oh, good luck to them. And have a safe flight, Queens. Right?
Yeah.
Ikaw,
It's
kaya
like
ka
her-
pupunta dito.
When do you want me to? Gusto mo tonight? I'll fly.
I'll go there, ha?
Yeah, December.
Yeah. Promise. Dapat may bouquet ako sa airport. Alam mo yun? Dapat may pa-bouquet ako sa airport. Tapos dapat may, welcome home, my home. Dapat ganon.
My sign. I will give you a sign, a big sign.
Ay, hindi naman hindi naman sa nagpaparinig. Wala lang, parang, hindi naman sa nagpaparinig, pero yun lang yung mga ideal ko. Yung parang may mga ganyan. Tapos parang gagawan mo ako ng TikTok na, I just wanna love you forevermore. Ano?
Anything. Chocolates, flowers.
Yeah, and your German sausage.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's the best thing there. Eh. Why are you laughing?
Nothing.
Paano na si Sean? Sinong Sean? Di ko yun kilala. Oh, you mean the one who broke my heart earlier? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay! Waiting sa suyuan. Huwag na magsuyo-suyo. Uy, joke lang kasi baka manunuyo na naman. Te, wag na. Uy, joke lang. Te, gagastos na naman yun. Wag na. Eme lang to. I mean, it's okay. Like, literally, we're okay.
I saw you in Chan's car. You went to his car. What did you do?
When? Alam mo, when did you follow me ba?
I followed you a long time ago, I think. Sometime. I saw your videos.
Kasi recently, like, saw the message lang eh. Sabi ko lang, ang cute nito, sino to? Tapos, si Jack. Yeah, it's like, okay. I'm sorry, hindi ko kasi talaga chine-check yung notifs. Yeah.
It's okay. Anong ginawa niyo ni Sean sa car?
Wala, car fun lang. I mean, wala, lang. Having fun, syempre. Like, concert,
What fun.
car concert, ganon, yung mga kanta na, you've got a smile that can light up this, mga Taylor Swift, ganyan. Tsaka,
So ginamit mo yung microphone niya? Concert?
no,
Ano
I mean
concert
like,
kayo? Ginamit niyo yung... Ano ginawa mo sa microphone niya?
Diba? I thought you really parang soft-spoken, pero ngayon parang tinataasan mo na ako ng boses. Like, how would you work?
I'm hurt.
Why?
I'm hurt na ginamit mo yung microphone ni Sean.
Hindi. Nag-aanuan lang kami. Nagkakataan
Tapos-
lang.
Tapos you sang on his microphone.
There's no microphone like literally there. Like,
Tapos nakita ko pa yung food. Nag-dinner date kayo.
yeah, what about it? It's a friendly dinner date. It's a friendly dinner date. Like, it's a casual dinner.
And what else? What else happened?
And, nag onting cocktail night. And,
Cocktail.
I met the amaretto sour, the sangria one, not the literal.
So microphone and cocktail.
Are you? Thank you, ikatlong yugto. Are you like questioning me? Wala ka bang trust sa akin?
I trust you. I'm just asking. Ano bang meron sa kanya? Ano bang meron sa kanya?
Chan? Ano?
Ducks ba siya?
What? Alam mo, mababan tayo sa mga ganyan-ganyan eh.
Nagtatanong lang naman. Honest question.
Ano meron sa kanya? Ano, parang he you know, he's so humble. You know, he treats me as a queen, as a princess. Tapos, ayun, parang like, ang galing niya makisama. Tapos, sobrang bait niya, sobrang gentleman niya sa lahat. Tapos, parang hindi siya pumapayag na hindi namin parang nafe-fix yung araw namin kapag hindi kami bate. Tapos, ayun, parang like super close din ako sa family niya, ganyan. So like, he's parang, ano mo yun,
Do you still love him?
he cares a lot. As a friend.
And how about us?
Tsaka may abs siya, di ba? Ikaw, ewan ko if may abs ka ba or what. Pero, ano? Naglalag siya, guys. Naglalag ba siya? Tingnan mo tuloy. Nawala ng internet sa Germany. Di ba? Sabi ko naman kasi sa inyo, mag-TNT ka na dyan eh. Kasi sa TNT, may only data and may only calls and text to all networks plus 5 gig of data pag ginamit mo yun. Ano, nawala siya.